If you just rebuild your website and your new website has many URLs or web addresses that do not match those in your old website, it will create an issue for user experience and SEO. When your users try to navigate to one of these web pages that they have saved from your old website, or when search engines try to crawl one of these pages they have indexed, they will fail. That old URL will return a 404 not found error. You can see how this can affect your users' experience browsing your website. And Google might penalize the ranking of your website if there are too many failed requests. To fix this, we need to set up URL redirects for these old and invalid URLs. First, we need a list of these obsolete URLs. If you don't have it yet, we can hopefully find them through Google's index. I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, I just rebuilt this company's website, and we got rid of a bunch of pages and URLs from the old website. How can I find these URLs if I don't have a record of them? Actually, I was smart enough to save the list this time because I knew there would be a lot of changes for this website rebuild. But let's say, what if I forgot to do that? I can then go to Google and type site with a semicolon followed by the domain of this website. Hit enter. Now you can see Google return a list of web pages it has indexed for this website with the URL. If you didn't put site and column in front of the domain, you might either go straight to the website productoil.com, or Google will return results of other websites. So we want to make sure we put site column. Let's now find one of these web pages we think that would not show up in our new website. For example, this one, Aurora Buick Repairs. Click the three dots next to the web page title. You will see this pop-up dialog with a URL that points to the old web page. If I click it, it will show no results found because now that we have connected the URL to the new website, which does not have this web page. Now we need to set up redirect for this URL. Let me copy the URL here. Go to the redirection tool. Now I'm on WordPress, but there are other redirection methods you can use. If you have a different WordPress website, or if you are using a different website builder, you'll be doing this differently. But let me just set this up here with the redirection plugin with WordPress to show you how this works. First, I need to put in the source URL, which is the original one. I don't need to include the domain name because the domain name is the same. The root URL is the same for the old website and the new website. Now I'm going to redirect this specific page to the services page from the new website. Let me copy the relative URL. Paste it in the source URL, and then go to the services page. Again, copy the relative URL and paste it in the target URL. Make sure the group is set to redirections and click the button Add Redirect. Now let's test this. I'm back to Google. Let me click the Aurora customer service page. Boom! Now it's been redirected to the services page from the new website. And that's it. Okay, guys, that's how redirect works, and that will fix your 404 error for your users and Google. Thank you and have a nice day.